The famous topic in information technology and computer science is cryptography and network security. For some minutes, let's assume that you are sending a message, a WhatsApp message to your relative, and third person can read that message. This is not fair. That's why we are studying cryptography and network security. So now the prerequisites are you should have basic knowledge about computer networks. For example, network topologies and types of network, because without that basic knowledge we can't learn the security of that network thing. Also, you should have basic mathematical background, because security means we are doing encoding and decoding. So we need to be rely on maths. So here is the syllabus. In this slide, you can see that first chapter is introduction. Second is about mathematical background, in which we are learning the algebra and the equations for encoding and decoding. Third is block cipher. Fourth is public key cryptography. Fifth is cryptographic hash function and digital signature, in which we are learning MD5 and SHA-256 or SHF1. Yeah. And sixth is security practices and system security. Also, we have one more, which is chapter 7, is email, IP, and web security. So here, why we need network security, or we can say why we require network security. Recall the example of WhatsApp, which is in the beginning of the video. Here in the figure, as we can see that one user is there. User is connected to internet service provider. Let's call it ISP. Yeah. Like Airtel, Vodafone, or any service provider which is providing a internet, yeah, or data. So ISP is basically a one vendor or provider which opens the door for user to access internet. For example, user is doing some bank transfer. Now let's say here is nothing wrong, right? But here there is one attacker inside the internet, and let's say attacker configured a fake server, and whenever you are requesting or user is requesting for bank server, attacker redirects user to his own fake server. If you are entering a password or something confidential, then he also will know that.